Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 GLK 350 4MATIC. This one's a palladium silver. Underneath there is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior. Burl walnut trim. Pano sunroof. Coming out back. GLK 350 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Set all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Alongside we got memory seats, power windows. But in we've got our steering wheel controls. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Push start ignition, media display, hard keys for media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, center console with their cup holders. This GLK has 53,386 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLK 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.